A mailbox post is a pretty simple structure. You need a vertical post to go in the ground and a horizontal piece to support the mailbox. The way you join them can make the structure both sturdy and attractive. A half-lap joint is a great way to do that with dimensional lumber like this 4-foot by 4-foot post. Using a circular saw, cut lines half the thickness of the 4x4 and exactly the width of the post at the point where the horizontal piece will cross it. Then make cuts every 1/8 inch or so in between those lines. The remaining wood can be chipped out simply by tapping with a hammer. Repeat this process on the horizontal piece so that the two notches fit into each other at a perfect 90-degree angle. You can use a few deck screws to keep them in place. If you like, you can add a diagonal support under the side that will support the mailbox. This isn't necessary since the half-lap joint is so strong, but it may make the mailbox look more attractive. Finally, cut a piece of 3/4 inch thick dimensional lumber to fit into the recess under the mailbox. This will make it easier to attach the box itself to your sturdy new mailbox post.